Welcome to SkyVestments. I'll be your instructor. My name is D. Murray. We're going to start this beginner lesson. I call it beginner because we're starting with the very basics. But before we start, press that like button and that subscribe button. It'll help us reach more people. So let's start with the very basics. The very basics are a laptop or a desktop. You'll need either one of those. I suggest one of those instead of a tablet or a phone. The screen is too small to see the bigger picture. You need a quiet place, a dedicated internet, and a journal to jot down the lessons. Whether you win or lose the trade, it's all a lesson that we take with us. So let's start this lesson, this beginner lesson. You'll need a dependable laptop or desktop, reliable internet, a quiet place where you can concentrate, a notebook or a digital notes, time to learn without rushing. You do not need an expensive trading setup to begin. You need a stable place to learn and practice. Now, you need to understand what trading is. Before you learn strategies, you need to understand what a stock is, what an option is, what the futures are, what buying and selling mean, the difference between investing and day trading. Let's start with what a stock is. A stock is a small piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a share of a stock, you own a small part of that company, and the value of that share can move up or down. Now, what is an option? An option is a contract tied to a stock or another asset. It gives you the right to buy or sell at a certain price before a certain date. With options, you are trading the contract and the movement of the price, not necessarily buying the stock itself. Now, what are futures? Futures are contracts based on the future price of something, such as the S&P 500, oil, gold, or other markets. Traders can use futures to trade whether they believe the price is going up or going down. Now let's talk about buying and selling. Buying means you are entering a trade because you believe the price may go higher. Selling means you are either closing that trade or in some markets entering a trade because you believe the price may go lower. Now, what is the difference between investing and day trading? Investing usually means buying something with the plan to hold it for months or even years. Day trading means entering or closing trades within the same trading day, sometimes within minutes or hours. Day trading moves much faster and it requires focus, discipline, practice, and risk management. Now that you understand the difference between investing and day trading, the next thing you need to understand is the chart. The chart is where you follow the price of whatever you're trading, whether that's a stock, an option, futures, gold, oil, or something else in the market. The movement on the chart is displayed through the candlesticks. Each candlestick represents a certain amount of time, and it gives you 4 important prices: where price opened, the highest point it reached, the lowest point it reached, and where it closed. A bullish candle usually means price closed higher than it opened. A bearish candle means price closed lower than it opened. The thick part is called the body. The thin line above and below it are called the wicks. Those wicks show how far price traveled before buyers or sellers pushed it back. One candle gives you information, but when you start putting multiple candles together, you begin to see trends, highs, lows, support, resistance, momentum, and market structure. You also see indicators added to charts. Indicators can help you study direction and momentum, but price and the candlesticks come first. You don't have to learn every candle pattern today. Right now, I just want you to understand what you're looking at and when you first open a trading chart. Now take a field trip over to SkyVestments.com. Go to the Start Here section and begin learning how the charts, candles, and market structure and trading tools work. You can also practice using Option Chain Simulator and Order Entry Practice Lab so you can become familiar with entering trades, setting prices, and managing orders without risking real money. Members also receive access to additional practice tools, daily market prep, weekly market analysis, and the Chart and Trade Practice Lab. Once you understand the basics, you'll need a brokerage account. Robinhood, Webull, and Interactive Brokers are a few platforms you can research and compare. Opening an account does not mean you have to deposit money or start trading immediately. Look for a brokerage that offers paper trading or simulated trading. That gives you a chance to learn the platform, practice placing orders, and make mistakes without risking real money. Don't rush to fund an account just because you open one. Learn how the system works first. That's your beginner foundation. You now understand what stocks, options, and futures are, what buying and selling mean, the difference between investing and day trading, what charts and candlesticks show, and where trades are placed. Your next step is to visit SkyVestments.com, start with the beginner resources, and practice before putting real money at risk. In the next video, we're going deeper into the chart, candlestick, trends, support, resistance, and basic market structure. Learn the market, build discipline, and trade smarter.